Hey, Guru Nation, quick short video, 2 minutes. 2 minutes tops, Chris, maybe 3. Why is it important? We did a
Okay, watch
long
is
video.
on.
Watch is on. Where is it? You don't
Right.
have it on. You lying. Um, we did a long video on CAPA, corrective and preventative action plans. One of the things we've implemented at one of our sites to kind of adjust to the times, things are changing, people. Data, they want the data faster. They want it clean, right?
Well, they've always wanted it quickly, but now they're kind of enforcing the rule.
And now they want it like with as few discrepancies as possible.
Mm-hmm.
Initially, before a monitor even does anything. This is all part of the risk-based monitoring strategy. And most importantly of all, they're keeping metrics on all this. So if your site does not adjust, you're going to lose studies. I don't care how experienced your PI is.
They're going to be aware of this.
Unless they're a KOL and the sponsor really loves them. But they're not going to be a KOL for every single sponsor, right?
Yep.
And some of these biotechs could care less what star PI you have on board. They've never heard of him or her. So metrics are important. They're sharing these metrics with other sponsors as well.
KOL, key opinion leader.
Key opinion leader. So Transcelerate is one of these conglomerates that are sharing information on PI, site metrics, stuff like that. All the big pharma use them.
Mm-hmm.
So if you do bad with one study, you're going to be doing bad with all of them because they're all sharing the same metrics.
Mm-hmm.
So one of the things we've done we've started doing at one of our clinics is streamlining staff. So the worst thing that can happen is you have multiple coordinators for a study, which in theory sounds like a great idea, right? But in practical terms, it means that each one is relying on the other one to do what they're supposed to do, and nothing gets done, right?
That certainly does happen.
So yes, have a backup for everything because people get sick, people leave, people quit, whatever, but streamline. So what we've done is one coordinator for a study does all the data stuff, all the platforms, EDC, ECG, central lab, anything that involves data. The other one does everything that involves paper, so source.
One gathers the data, one enters.
One collects the data, which is the source. One enters it and answers queries and all that stuff, which is the data manager, more like a data manager role. And the one that does the source also does regulatory, right? So why is streamlining good, Chris?
Well, then everybody has a defined role, and hopefully things will get done in a timely manner.
So streamline, and again, what works for us may not work for everyone. We're going to start implementing this to see if it even works for us, but one thing's for sure, clinical trials are not getting easier. You've got to change it with the times or you'll be left out, right? You'll be blockbuster video in the Netflix era.
Ooh, not good.
Not good, right? Thank you all for watching. Take care.